BuildOps, which allows contractors to run their businesses on one software solution, recently opened its East Coast hub in Raleigh, North Carolina. Our very own Kristen Scholler recently spoke with BuildOps CEO Alok Chanani, who told her why this is a winning move. Take a listen.
Really to really flesh out our national footprint. BuildOps is on a mission to build the defining technology platform for the commercial trades. It's really the essential industry that powers our entire economy. And to do that, you've got to build an enduring company with a real national footprint. We started with our West Coast presence in Los Angeles, where I'm originally from. We expanded north into Canada with our Toronto hub. And today's opening of our East Coast headquarters in Raleigh, it really completes that sort of continental foundation. I think, the access to elite talent and customers coast to coast, with us having customers in literally every single state in the country, sets the stage for the next decade of growth with our footprint here in Raleigh.
So it sounds like it's good for business. I want to know how this new headquarters is going to fuel job creation and economic growth.
Yeah, so it is a huge, I can't overstate the investment that we're making in talent, which is truly the engine of our growth. We're bringing short to medium term nearly 300 high-paying technology and operational careers to the region, which translates to probably on the low side of $50 million annual payroll. And for us, this is not just about the data or the numbers. We're really building a world-class team, and we think Raleigh's the right place to do it. That payroll and the projected, according to the kind of state economic foundation, close to $750 million long-term economic impact are the outcome of finding the right people in the right location to build this iconic company.
Mm-hmm. Why is Raleigh the right location?
Yeah, so we had a choice of any city, and we chose Raleigh for its talent density. When you're really building a company for the long haul, you bet on people. And the universities, the excitement, the business friendliness of the state, that world-class ecosystem of product engineering leaders and talent were a large factor. And I would say on top of all of that, just the warm welcome and the receptiveness and just the kind of energy level here dwarfed any of the other folks that we're talking to. And we actually cut a long-term search short when it became abundantly clear that this was the right place to expand our national footprint.
Opening this new East Coast headquarters in Raleigh, what does it say about your company's momentum?
Yeah, so I think we're growing at close to 100% a year. We're expanding just exponentially across every single metric that you could kind of possibly conceive of. And I think, rounding out the LA, Toronto, now Raleigh national footprints with folks really geographically dispersed in between, but really doubling down on these hubs, I think it just speaks to the momentum and trajectory of the business, which is really centered on the people. And they're really the core growth engine for our company. Our customers are excited, our board is excited, our investors are excited. Just really across the board, every single person that touches BuildOps, from the folks that we serve to the folks that build and produce and have built this really incredible business, just universal excitement for selecting Raleigh as the hub to continue to grow the business.
All right, Alok, anything else we should know about what's to come?
I would say, Q4 is a massive quarter for us. It's all about activating this strategy. Aggressive talent acquisition is top of mind for us. We're literally hiring the best engineers, product leaders, and sales executives on the East Coast. And we want to accelerate that growth and solidify our market leadership. And we're building all the systems and processes to make that happen. So, if you're out there, you're in the Raleigh area, you're somewhere on the East Coast, you're interested in helping to build the next great technology company that serves what we believe is the most underserved segment of our population, which are the blue-collar workers of the United States, and you're excited about building real technology that has massive, profound impacts along one of the most, core parts of this country, building this country's infrastructure, let us know. We'd be excited to talk to you.